Have you ever stopped to think about the journey of a simple plastic toy? Or, the complex process behind your smartphone? These everyday objects, often taken for granted, are products of a fascinating world, the world of manufacturing. Manufacturing is like a magician's hat, transforming raw materials into the objects that fill our lives. It's the invisible force behind the scenes, quietly shaping our world and driving our economies. From the clothes we wear to the cars we drive, manufacturing touches every aspect of our daily routines. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our endless quest to invent, create, and improve. But manufacturing is more than just making things. It's about problem solving, innovation, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's step inside a factory and uncover the magic within. At its core, manufacturing is the process of transforming raw materials into finished products through a series of steps. Think of it as a recipe. You start with basic ingredients and follow instructions to create something new and delicious. These ingredients can be anything from metals, plastics, and wood to chemicals, textiles, and even food. The instructions are detailed engineering designs and production plans, guiding the transformation process. Manufacturing involves a fascinating interplay of human skill and advanced technology. Skilled workers, engineers, and designers collaborate to operate sophisticated machinery, ensuring each product meets precise specifications. Whether it's a simple chair or a complex aircraft engine, manufacturing takes an idea from concept to reality, adding value and utility along the way. Manufacturing comes in various flavors, but two main types dominate the factory landscape: process and discrete manufacturing. Imagine them as two distinct culinary arts. Process manufacturing involves mixing ingredients to create a final product that can't be easily broken down. Think of baking a cake. Once mixed and baked, you can't separate the flour, sugar, and eggs. Examples include chemicals, gasoline, and processed foods. Discrete manufacturing, on the other hand, involves assembling individual parts into a finished product. Like building with Legos, you can disassemble the final product back into its components. Cars, computers, and furniture fall under this category. Each type demands unique processes, equipment, and expertise. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of the manufacturing world. Remember those futuristic movies with robots working tirelessly in factories? Well, the future is here. Automation, the use of machines to perform tasks with minimal human intervention, is revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape. Robots, conveyor belts, and computer-controlled systems are becoming increasingly common, boosting efficiency, precision, and safety in factories. They handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for more complex and creative roles. This evolution has given rise to the smart factory, a highly interconnected and data-driven environment. Sensors, software, and artificial intelligence, AI, work together, optimizing production, predicting maintenance needs, and even making decisions autonomously. The rise of automation and smart factories is not about replacing humans, but about empowering them with advanced tools. It's about creating a more efficient, sustainable, and innovative future for manufacturing.